Hello, Serge Leontiev from DataStax here. I'm at KubeCon 2019 in San Diego. Great conference. We have 12,000 people attending this conference. And it's a lot of interesting topics and a lot of interest around Kubernetes and how Kubernetes are evolving. Kubernetes are getting more and more adoptions in enterprises. Large companies like Uber, Lyft, Spotify, Airbnb are currently adopting Kubernetes and moving their mission-critical applications and enterprise workloads to Kubernetes to simplify deployment, development, and orchestration processes. A lot of interest around security, data storage, networking in this particular space. I see a lot of companies here are presenting their solution for Kubernetes to simplify deployment, orchestration, networking, and the storage for the Kubernetes. Here at our booth, we have a lot of people who are asking, hey, we know who you are. We know DataStax, we're using DataStax, but what are you doing here? And we are saying, hey, yes, we are moving to the Kubernetes space as well. We just announced our Kubernetes operator for DataStax Enterprise that helps you to simplify and make it much easier to deploy, orchestrate, and manage Kubernetes DataStax Enterprise in Kubernetes cluster. This product allows us to step into the Kubernetes space as well and make our database true cloud-native database that will run natively within a Kubernetes. If you would like to learn more about our Kubernetes operator or what we do in this space, stop by at our booth G17. We are here today and Thursday. Or visit our website. We have a just brand new page dedicated to cloud-native and Kubernetes offering that we are just announced.